How to insert a watermark on Microsoft Word, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. I have already a Microsoft Word document open, and in this video I will first show you how you can insert a watermark that is of a text, and then as well as how you can insert a picture watermark in the Microsoft Word. I am using Microsoft Word 2016. So if you have a different version of Office, this option may be at a different location, so you have to keep this thing in mind. But if you're using the Microsoft 2016, you need to click the design option, and in the design option towards the right side you will see the watermark, and in this watermark you will have the custom or prefabricated watermarks that includes confidential 1, 2, do not copy, and that is diagonal, and do not copy horizontal. You can get the more watermarks from the Microsoft Office website, or you can make your own by clicking the custom watermark. And in the custom watermark you will have three options: no watermark, picture watermark, and text watermark. So if you want to insert a picture watermark, it will give you an option to select a picture. You can either upload a file or you can do an online search. For the sake of this tutorial, I will search online, and I am going to insert this picture of an aircraft as a watermark. Here you can select the scale. I'll keep it to 150, and I'll keep this washed out checked, and I'll press apply and close. And now you can see, let me show you the print preview. Now you can see that I have the picture as a watermark in my Microsoft Word document, and if I want to change this, I can first remove it, and I can do the custom watermark, click the text, and then I can write the text here whatever I want. I can select the font, and I can select the size also. I'll keep it as auto. You can change the color, keep it semi-transparent or not, and then you have the option to keep it diagonal or horizontal. I'll keep it the same diagonal and apply. Click close. Let me show you the print preview. So that's how you can insert a watermark in Microsoft Word document. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.